on? Welcome. We are here at Splitsville in downtown Disney. Why, Katie?
Because we are celebrating the holidays with Disney style.
Yes.
Not only do they have 1 million followers on Instagram.
Yes, congratulations, Disney style, 1 million. Can you believe that?
I know. But we are finding the best way to celebrate, and we have an awesome party tonight. We each got a pair of ears gifted to us.
These are mine.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep them. And then we got some goodie bags.
Ooh,
I wonder what could be in there.
Ooh,
we'll go
the
and open them up and show you what's inside.
I want to know what's inside my goodie bag.
So first we're gonna do some bowling, then we're gonna eat. I think we get to play a little trivia. They have all kinds of nice prizes laid out there.
Yeah, look at all that stuff. Oh, Dilly, I want to win that. I want that. You know what? I kind of want that whole pile.
I want to win it all.
And look what else. Drink tickets.
We were also gifted tickets into the park, so if you weren't an annual pass holder, which we are, so then we also get to go see the fireworks if they go. It might not because we had a storm. We also got preloaded fast passes for Small World Holiday.
Okay, so starting here at Splitsville, then heading into the park.
Let's go bowl.
Hit 1 million followers this year.
It's Sarah Sterling.
Hello, everybody.
The ultra Disney bounder, Disney stylist.
Well, high praise.
You really are.
Very nice of you to say.
So it's always good to see you and see what you're wearing and what you're doing.
Always good to see you guys as well.
Yeah.
And all of you.
That's right. Disney style, you guys. 1 million.
1 million.
There you go. Good job. Foil prism tattoo. Ooh, we get a free scoop at Salt Straw. So we're headed outside. We're gonna go get our cookie, and then we're gonna go hopefully see the fireworks if they go off, because weather permitting.
Cookie? What?
Yep. Let's go.
Here is the awesome cookie that we were given. Oh yeah.
Brian and Jeremy are here. Oh no.
Yes, there he is. Hey, you guys excited about fireworks or what?
Yes! I have a cookie. It's official. I don't care what anyone says. It's a gingerbread cookie, and it's a Disney. I've never had one, by the way. This is literally a race because I kid you not. I think the fireworks show is starting right now.
Okay. Tell us how it is.
Yes.
Oh. Is it magical? I just want to.
This looks like a packaged cookie. You know what I mean? Like just like a factory, but this.
Yeah. It's
Get you one. For real. This is like homemade.
Homemade cookie.
I'm not even that fond of gingerbread, but this is like spectacular.
Forget gingerbread house, gingerbread in my kitchen. Oh, it smells good. You can actually like smell it here. Like, just wafting this way. Get up with a milk.
No, if this was in my house at 3 a.m., I would eat 5. Literally 5.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Sorry about it.
No.
Does your heart hold the magic of the holidays? Is it filled with warm memories just waiting to be discovered again? So come along as the magic of the season leads the way.
Fireworks are done. We're going to Small World Holiday with the whole group, Disney style. Katie's very excited. Here we go!
Alright. Oh, look! Hi!
I don't know you.
Oh my god! My butt just got wet! My butt's wet! Oh! I'm gonna go China. I got puddle butt! No. Dang it!
We all at this point. That wraps it up. That was so much fun. Thank you so much to our friends at Disney Style for inviting us to such an amazing event for the holidays. Oh my gosh.
Seriously, it was a blast from the food, the rides, the prizes, and of course meeting a lot of awesome people that share the same enthusiasm as we do. So if you haven't already, make sure that you're following Disney Style on Instagram. It's at Disney Style and Disney Eats. You can also follow the official Instagram, which is at Disneyland. Thank you guys so much for watching this. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Life Disney so you can be invited and hang out with us at all these fun events and Disneyland.
Yeah, and you can support Life Disney by being a Patreon member, and all that information is in the description below.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
That's right, and we will see you next time on Life Disney and beyond. Bye-bye, everybody!
Happy holidays!